Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Munib and today we are going to discuss about a new project which name is Flipcoin. Flipcoin is basically is a global decentralized network for transportation, and it's a powering data for the new blockchain. So guys, you can also sign up on the Flipcoin website. Just click on the sign up to join and you will saw this type of form. So guys, just put it your email here and then password, confirm password, and then put the referral id. I already mentioned the referral id in the description, so just put the referral id here. This is the my referral id. So and after that just click on I accept and agree to the term and condition. After that click on the register, so you will get the confirmation link in your email. Just click on that and your account is ready to buy the FCP coin. So guys, when you are going to log in your account, so this type of account, you will see that this is the ETH address and this is the BTC address. So you can use both these addresses to buy the coin, and then after that you need to complete the KYC in the Flipcoin website, and you can also enable the two-factor authentication code. So guys, we are going to know about more about the Flipcoin. So we have built a platform to buy and sell shares. Flipcoin is creating blockchain ecosystem for mobile application services in the service economy sector. Like unlike other projects in the cryptocurrency world, Flipcoin holders already gain automatic access to a developed and fully functional application for small businesses and entrepreneurs, with additional uses and benefits in the pipeline. So guys, in the Flipcoin platform, it's a private and secure payment gateway and external integration, cloud data storage, and also in the one-click application. Guys, in why we buy the Flipcoin, so competitive advantages. So FCP will demonstrate innovative approach on the technical development and management that is both profitable and sustainable. So guys, this is the token sale of Flipcoin. So it will start in March 1, 2021. Acceptable currencies, just both two currencies are acceptable, like Ethereum and BTC. Number of tokens for sale are almost 8 crore 80,000 and 80 lakhs and 68,000. One FCP coin price in Ethereum is almost 0.000505, and in the BTC the one FCP coin price is almost 0.0000288 BTC. So guys, this is the roadmap of the Flipcoin, so you can also read that about the Flipcoin roadmap. And this is the downloadable mobile app, so you can also guys download the mobile application from Google Store and also from Apple Store. Guys, this is the team of the Flipcoin. So and then this is the frequently asked questions. So if you have any type of question, then you can ask from their team. And these are the partners and clients of the Flipcoin. So guys, and these are the honor awards. So 2020 gold Steve winner, and this is the Asia. So guys, you can also contact with them with their social links. These are the social links of the Flipcoin, and the white paper, you can also read the white papers of the Flipcoins. Guys, we have a bounty of the Flipcoin. So guys, this is the bounty of the Flipcoin, and the coin is already listed on Uniswap and PancakeSwap at this time. So these are the social links. And guys, this is the bounty allocation. It's almost 1.5 crore FCP coins, and in Facebook it's almost 20%, Twitter 20%, Telegram 15%, YouTube 15%, blog and an article it's almost 20%, and translation is almost 10%. Guys, this is the proof of authentication. So just put it your Bitcoin Talk username, Telegram username, campaign in which you can participate, like Facebook, Twitter, blog, YouTube, etc., and just put it your spreadsheet number here. You must need to follow the you must need to join the Telegram group and just read more info about the FlickPoint. So guys, this is the last week of this Ponti. So in Facebook, if you have good amount of friends, then you will get good amount of stacks. And guys, you must to join the group of the Telegram, and also you must to like the Facebook page, and you must to use these hashtags when you are going to post. So minimum 5 shares per week and minimum 2 posts per week you must to add these hashtags in that. So this is the registration form, and this is the spreadsheet. You must to fill the registration form when you are going to participate in the Facebook campaign and other campaigns. Like just put it your Bitcoin Talk username, Bitcoin Talk profile link, your Telegram username, your Facebook profile link. Just check the friends, number of friends, and then after at the end put your ERC20 wallet address, and then you are going to click on submit, and you are participating in the Facebook campaign. Like as it is Facebook, you are going to participate in other campaigns. So this is the weekly report. Just put it your week, like week 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5, and after that Bitcoin Talk profile link, your number on spreadsheet like 50, 80, 1, 2, 3 like this, and then put it to your Facebook link. Guys, these are post links, and then these are share links. In Twitter, if you have good amount of followers, then you will get good amount of stacks. Just put it just join the Telegram group and follow their profile link. So this is the registration form, this is the spreadsheet, this is the weekly report. So in YouTube campaign, if you make good video, good quality video, then you will get almost 10 stacks. In medium quality you will get almost 5 stacks, and low quality you will get just 1 stacks. So you must to join the Telegram group. Minimum you need to 200 real subscriber on your YouTube channel, and the video must be at least minimum 2 minutes long, and one participant can submit a maximum of 2 videos. So stacks will be allocated on the basis of the quality, views and audience of the video. So video should be made by English language. They just accept the English languages. So this is a registration form, it is a spreadsheet. So in article, just make 500 words of articles, and you will get 10 stacks if you make a good quality or high quality article. Medium quality you will get almost 5 stacks, and low quality you will get almost just 1 stacks. So this is a registration form, it is a spreadsheet. In translation campaign, you will get good amount of dollars value of tokens, like and thread and bounty thread is almost $100 value of tokens, and a website 100 value of tokens, and a white paper you will get almost $100 of value of tokens. So guys, you can also translate the website and thread and a white paper and get good amount of tokens from here. So guys, in the Telegram campaign, quality is equal to 5 stacks. So all participants must join our Telegram group and channel. Minimum 7 good comments about our projects on our Telegram group per week. So this is the registration form and the spreadsheet. I hope you like the project. If you have any type of question about this project, then comment. See you. Bye bye.